What if I told you there's a single molecule that controls your strength, your energy, even your mood? Sounds like a superpower, right? Well, it's already inside you, testosterone. The ultimate biological fuel that makes or breaks your body. But is it really the manly hormone we all think it is? Let's find out. Welcome to Science Theory. Section 1. What is testosterone? Testosterone isn't just for men. It's like the secret sauce of human physiology, present in both men and women. Think of it as the octane booster for your body, influencing muscle growth, energy levels, and even your confidence. But where does it come from? And how does it work? Buckle up because we're diving deep. Section 2. How it's made and how it works. Imagine your body as a factory with cholesterol as the raw material. Inside your testicles or ovaries, tiny hormone factories, known as Leydig cells, refine cholesterol into testosterone, kind of like turning crude oil into jet fuel. Once produced, testosterone travels through your bloodstream, unlocking doors, also known as receptors in your muscles, bones, and brain. Think of it as a VIP key card that grants exclusive access to growth and vitality. Section 3, the good, the bad, and the freaky. Now, testosterone is great, until it's not. Too little. You're tired, weak, and struggling to focus, like a phone stuck in low power mode. Too much. Well, let's just say it turns you into the Hulk, but not the cool, controlled version. More like the angry, acne-ridden, hair-shedding one. And did you know? Your body even converts some testosterone into estrogen. That's right, guys. Your body needs a little bit of the female hormone too. It's all about balance. So, is testosterone really the secret to being strong, confident, and unstoppable? Or is it a double-edged sword? One thing's for sure, it's way more complex than just the man hormone. Want to know how to naturally boost your testosterone without risky injections? Or maybe you're wondering if testosterone supplements actually work. Hit that subscribe button and stick around, because in the next video, we're breaking it all down. See you soon.